Exness or Vantage? If you had to choose one broker today to start trading with, or switch to for the long term, which one would be the better choice? This is a question many traders around the world are asking, especially those who are just entering the financial markets. The reality is that choosing the right broker doesn't just help you reduce trading costs. It can also have a direct impact on your trading experience, deposit and withdrawal speed, and your ability to manage capital effectively over the long run, helping you decide which broker is the better fit for your trading needs. Let's start with reputation and trust. Exness was founded in 2008 and is now one of the largest Forex brokers in the world by trading volume. Over the years, the company has built a strong global presence and attracted millions of clients across different regions. Meanwhile, Vantage was founded in 2009 in Australia and has also grown into a respected international brokerage brand trusted by traders worldwide. Today, Vantage serves clients across numerous countries and regions around the globe. Both brokers hold multiple licenses from reputable financial regulators and have been operating in the industry for many years. From a credibility standpoint, both Exness and Vantage are considered trustworthy choices for international traders. Next, let's look at trading costs. This is one of the most important factors because it directly affects profitability. Exness is known for its competitive spreads and a wide range of account types suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. In particular, the raw spread and zero accounts are popular among short-term traders due to their low trading costs. On the other hand, Vantage is highly regarded for its ECN-style trading environment, offering low spreads and fast execution speeds. If you're an active trader or a scalper, both brokers provide competitive conditions. However, Vantage is often preferred by traders who use expert advisors, EAs, and automated trading systems, thanks to its infrastructure that supports more advanced trading strategies. The next factor is leverage. Exness has long been recognized for offering very high leverage to eligible clients. This gives traders greater flexibility when it comes to capital efficiency and position management. Vantage also provides competitive leverage, although limits may vary depending on regulatory requirements, account type, and the client's jurisdiction. If maximizing capital efficiency and trading flexibility is important to you, Exness may offer a slight advantage. On the other hand, if you prefer a balanced approach between opportunity and risk management, Vantage remains a strong option. Next, let's discuss trading platforms and tools. Both Exness and Vantage support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the two most widely used trading platforms in the industry. This means you can access familiar indicators, automated trading systems, technical analysis tools, and custom strategies regardless of which broker you choose. That said, Vantage tends to stand out with its broader ecosystem of trading tools, market analysis resources, and solutions designed for more advanced traders. Exness, meanwhile, focuses on delivering a streamlined and user-friendly trading experience that is easy to navigate for traders of all experience levels. Another factor that many international traders pay close attention to is deposits and withdrawals. This is widely considered one of Exness's strongest advantages. The broker is well known for its fast processing times and convenient funding experience. Vantage also supports a variety of international payment methods, although processing times may vary depending on the payment provider and the client's country of residence. If fast deposits and withdrawals are among your top priorities, Exness is often viewed as having an edge in this category, so which broker should you choose? If you're a beginner looking for a simple trading experience, fast funding options, user-friendly platforms, and flexible leverage, Exness may be the better fit. On the other hand, if you're an experienced trader who regularly uses EAs, automated trading systems, or requires access to more advanced trading tools, Vantage is definitely worth considering. However, the most important thing to remember is that there is no single broker that is best for everyone. The best broker is the one that matches your trading style, investment goals, and personal preferences. If you've decided which broker suits your needs, you'll find the official registration links in the description below. Depending on your region and the current promotions available, you may be eligible for exclusive benefits, reduced trading costs, or special offers for new clients using official registration. Links also helps ensure you're signing up through the correct broker website and avoids the risks associated with fraudulent or unofficial platforms. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future broker reviews, platform comparisons, trading insights, and educational content. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for traders around the world. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you currently trading with Exness or Vantage? What has your experience been like so far? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation with fellow traders from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.